If you've lost your sending privileges on Zelle, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your bank account status. Ensure that your bank account linked to Zelle is in good standing. If there are any issues, such as overdrafts or restrictions, resolve them with your bank. Step 2. Update your Zelle app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Zelle app installed on your device. Go to your app store, search for Zelle, and update if necessary. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review transaction limits. Check your transaction limits set by your bank. If you've exceeded your sending limits, you may need to wait until the next cycle or contact your bank for adjustments. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, contact Zelle customer support or your bank's customer service. They can provide specific guidance and help restore your sending privileges. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Zelle. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance.